Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here. And what do you think of my hat? This hat was designed and made a tutorial of. That sounds terrible. This hat was designed by my friend Ginger, the yarn geek, and she just last night put up a video tutorial on how to make it. And it is so easy and so fun and quick. I think I made it in an hour and a half. So go check it out if you like this style of hat. I love it. You can wear it like a derby, like this, or down on one side, kind of like a cloche hat, you know, from like the 20s. Or you can wear it down all the way around like a bucket hat, or just up in the back, kind of like, I don't know, it makes me think of Robin Hood. But yeah, so many cute ways to wear this hat. I'm just digging it. I love it, Ginger. You did a great job. So cute. I am going to totally make it in more colors because I love it. I can totally see myself wearing this all the time. I love hats though, so it's all good. So yeah, so this is a finished project. Yay! Very excited. I had lost my Crojo there for about a week or so, and so yeah, I'm back in the groove again. And I got back in the groove again with the help of a little friend. I'm not crazy about the little buttons for the face. I'm gonna have to fix that. Maybe get some black buttons. That might be better. But yeah, I'm loving my little bear. I did tell you about the bear when I only had his legs made. So yeah, he came out really, really cute. I love it. I will leave a link to the pattern in the description box below. But yeah, he's really cute. My son said he looks like a gummy bear made of gummy bears, which is a pretty good description, really. It is. You look like a gummy bear made of gummy bears. So this is the Big Twist yarn by Big Twist. I think it's a Joann's store brand. The one thing that I will say about using that yarn for amigurumi is that there is a pretty decent halo on it, so it is very fuzzy, which is kind of nice for your bear, but it is kind of a pain in the neck to work amigurumi with a very fuzzy yarn. At least for me it was. So yeah. Anyway, he's really cute. I cannot remember the colorway of this yarn, but I will leave it down here so that you can check it out if you're interested in really super bright colors. Speaking of super bright colors, do they look familiar? They're the same colors. This is a granny square that is kind of a challenge on my Facebook group. So I decided to challenge everybody by putting up the diagram of just a random granny square to see who would follow the pattern and the diagram rather, and put pictures of theirs up on the post, like post pictures of it so we can all see what we came up with using the exact same diagram, because I just think it's really, really cool that you don't need words to explain how to make something in crochet. You can just use its own little language of symbols, and so if someone doesn't speak the same language as you, you know, they maybe speak Spanish or Russian or French or German or whatever, if they know the language of crochet and all the symbols, then you can very easily follow their pattern. So I'm going to hold it up against my jacket to see if that helps you to see the pattern of it. I did go a little crazy on the color. I probably should have made it with like just a solid color so you could actually see the stitch definition in it. Like see how it's put together, but I didn't. So those are my finished projects. Love this hat. Such a good job, Ginger. Oh, did I say I would leave a description, or I would leave a link to Ginger's pattern in the description box below? Because I will. I'm gonna do that. Last thing, I am still working on my rainbow blanket. I'm getting there, the white is the center, so I'm more than halfway done with the blanket. And I'm still loving this stitch. It's so cool. I love that three-dimensional stitch. So yeah, lots of color in my life. Gotta love that. And big news today, my nephew's wife is in the hospital right now having a baby. I'm so excited. Gonna have another little baby in our family soon. And my sister's baby was born last week. And maybe I'll put a picture of her up there. Little Miss Adria Marie. She's so sweet. She's got more black hair than I do, and that's saying a lot. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, one more thing. It's not everything. The last episode of Card Chat, I asked you guys to email me some pictures of some of the nature near where you live, or some of the places that you love. Send me photos and I would put them at the end of my videos. So Wendy from Barnstable, Massachusetts, she sent me some pictures, and so I'm going to put those at the end of this video. And actually I have a few of my own that are at the end of this video as well. So yeah, so enjoy that, and don't forget to look for the beauty in every day, because it is out there. All you have to do is look for it. It's usually right outside your window, depending on where your window is. But yeah, here's the beauty outside my window. Actually, let me see if I can take this off. Another beautiful day in my neighborhood. Okay, take care everybody. I hope you have a great day. See you next time.